Today I'm extremely happy to be here today on this very auspicious occasion of the inauguration of this new showroom of Sai Service in Hyderabad. This is our 15th showroom of Maruti Suzuki in the city of Hyderabad. And as you can see, it's a state-of-the-art showroom, completely adhering to the Maruti Suzuki CI norms. As a Maruti showroom, apart from just about displaying cars, we provide all the services which are required for a customer in terms of his purchasing a car as well as owning a car, right from providing the finance. For purchasing a car, whatever bank loans or whatever is required, that is arranged by the team here in the showroom itself. And apart from that, like you can see behind me, there are the Maruti genuine accessories, the whole range of accessories which the customers might require, to personalize their cars whichever they buy. We also provide the insurance for their cars for our existing customers and for other customers who already own a car. We also provide them with the facility of exchanging the car under the Maruti Suzuki True Value banner. We also have a loyalty program, under the Maruti Suzuki loyalty card, and various other services which would be required for a customer in the process of purchasing a car. So everything is available under one roof as a one-stop shop solution to customers. And on this occasion, I would like to wish Team Sai Service all the very best. It's a very prominent location on the main road with a lovely frontage. I'm sure that this place cannot be missed by people passing by, and it would be convenient for customers in this area to reach, especially very shortly. I think the metro services would start, and it's very close by. It's just a walking distance from the showroom. So ideally, a very good location and very prominent and very convenient location for customers in this area to access this showroom. And I'm sure that this will add to the strength of Maruti Suzuki in the marketplace. In this year, over the last year's performance, I think Maruti Suzuki is growing growing not only in terms of volumes but also in terms of market share. And I hope that this particular, the new showroom which has come up of Sai Service will further add to the strength of Maruti Suzuki in the market and help us gain further market share. I also wish Team Sai Service all the very best from this location, and I hope that they will continue to provide best of quality services to our customers, in the market here. All the models which Maruti Suzuki makes and manufactures and produces are available across all our showrooms, including this. So we have the entire product range starting from the entry-level models like Alto, K10, WagonR. We also have the utility vehicle which is the Omni. We have the A2 segment cars like the Swift and the Ritz, the Desire, the SX4, the Ertiga, the multi-utility vehicle, the Ertiga, and the entire range which is available from every showroom and from here as well.